Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add these starter templates to your WordPress website. First log into your WordPress dashboard, that's usually like your website.com/wp-admin. After visiting this link, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your username, email ID and password and log into your WordPress dashboard. After logging to your WordPress dashboard, before you use the starter templates, make sure you have the Astra theme installed and activated. If you haven't done that yet, check out my previous video where I will show you how to install it. I will leave you the link in the description below. Now let's install the starter templates. Now go to the left hand side of this menu, and here you will find click on plugins option. Click on these plugins and now click on this add new plugin. Here in the search bar type starter templates. Here you can see this is a starter templates. You need to install this plugin, so click on install now. After installing it, click on this activate button. Here you can see we have successfully installed the starter templates and we have successfully activated it. Okay, after activating, once activated, here you can see you need to select this get started option. Let me click on this get started option. You need to select this classic starter templates option, build with templates. Once you select that option, the plugin will ask you to select your preferred page builder like Elementor or Block Editor. So let's select the Elementor page builder. I recommend only Elementor page builder because it is very easy to use, but you can choose whichever you are comfortable with. Click on this Elementor option. Click on this maybe later option over here. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. Now comes the fun part. You will see a library of beautiful pre-built websites, business website, portfolio website, blog website, e-commerce website, and many more pre-built websites. If you want to preview this website, just select this demo template website and click on continue option. And here it will ask you to select the features. So you can select these features like page builder, contact form. If you need like e-commerce store, also you can select this, and automation and integration, video player, free live chat. If you need free live chat, also you can select this, and appointments and bookings, sales funnel, video player. You can select these features which are required for your website. Okay, and click on continue option. And here we are almost there, and click on this skip and continue option. And here you can give your first name, your email ID, a little bit about yourself. So please check box this option and click on submit and build my website. So here you can see the plugin will import all the pages, images and settings for you. Just to give it a minute or two. And here you can see we have successfully installed the pre-built website. Once it's done, click on view your website option and boom, here you can see you have a fully functional professional design website live on your domain. You can now start customizing text, images, layout using your chosen page builder by using this Elementor page builder. And that's how easy it is to build a stunning website with Astra starter templates. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.